welcome.
Congrats, Jack. Holy smokes, everybody's here.
Mr. and Mrs. Lochran, the parents of the groom and family.
Mom and Dad! I can't believe you're all here.
Yo, how hot is my date?
So hot. Wow. How about how hot mine is?
You got a date?
Yeah. She's invisible, that's why you can't see her.
Oh, right. This is the one from Canada.
Wedding started.
So true, Marty.
The monster.
Is it everything you wanted, my little boysenberry?
Oh, it is, Daddy. Except, where's my Paul Lab?
Honey, your Gramps would not have been cool with this. He's old school.
How do we know? If he could just meet Johnny.
He would have eaten me. He's not as enlightened as your hip dad.
So, you're really okay with him not being a monster?
Human, monster, unicorn, as long as you're happy.
Thanks, Dad.
And you'll always be my moonlight, but now on wings of love you soar. Now that you're Johnny's girl and kind of daddy's too. Mom will be so happy 'cause she always knew love is making room for all the best in you.